What's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing on this magnificently golden day? So, I am driving back from Santa Paula, I think, California. It's like 50 minutes from LA, North Hollywood, where I live. And so, and I cannot drive fast. That's why I'm in the slow lane. And I'm in a pickup truck because look at the back there. Oh, crap. You guys can't even see it. The sun is so bright. And I'm using my iPhone camera, so it sucks. But I just thought I should record this moment because it is terrifying. So, the engine I got is a 454, and I'll show you guys more about it later on. But it's a big block Chevy, and with that comes more weight. I think it's more heavy, about 300 pounds more heavy than a small block Chevy. Hold on, I might be turning here. I'm literally driving slow now because the engine is literally in the back of this truck. And we didn't have proper mounts to use, or we didn't remember to use proper mounts. We used, or the guy that put it, he actually put in, he put the engine in the car, in the truck, in the bed of the truck, and then tied it down with like a regular rope. And yeah, just 2 pieces of regular rope. And you can guess what happened the first break that I had. I braked hard because the one in front of me was misbehaving. But I braked hard, and oh my gosh, the engine literally slid to the front of the truck. I was so scared that it was literally going to break the rear glass, but it did not. So I'm very glad about that. But it's to one side now. I don't even know how I'm going to get it out. I've never done this before, like an engine swap or engine anything, but that's what I'm going to be doing on the Jag. But yeah, let's see if by the grace of God, we'll get home in one piece. But I'll update you guys when we get there. Ooh, this is terrifying. Because if it moves, I'm scared of things just literally just flying out of the car. So we're about to hit our exit now, and I'll update you guys when I get home. What's up, buttercups? Oh my God, I am literally sweating bullets. Like bullets have been falling off my skin. Oh my gosh. I just got back from my drive and to pick up the engine for the Jag, and oh my gosh, it was very terrifying because I think, so the engine was back here, but then I slowed down, and the things that we used to tie it on were not strong enough, so we used, there's a rope there, there was a rope that was here, and when I braked, it literally just flew forward and hit here. But I don't think it did any damage, hopefully not. But that is my big block Chevy 454 V8, and oh my gosh, it is gonna take a while for me to take that thing out. I've literally been trying for almost an hour just to get that thing out of the thing, but I don't know how to. I've attached the engine chains, and now all that is left is for me to get the crane and pull it out, but it's just taking forever, so let's do this. So loud. That is the situation. So I'm probably gonna put this under the car, lift it up. Yeah, it shouldn't be that hard, I think. I think. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, after struggling, swearing, all of that for 2 hours, I've finally done it. It is the most janky thing, and I don't even think it's gonna hold. This engine weighs a lot, and it's being held on by that bolt because obviously the chainy boy didn't work. So I'm very terrified about this. I literally used this bolt, and there's like 2 nuts on either side, and I chained this up to 4 different points on the engine. So let's do this. This is so terrifying, and oh my God. Ugh. I'm trying so hard not to cough. Whew. Oh my goodness. But there it is. So this is gonna be going inside. Where is it? It's like over there. You guys probably can't see it, but that black dot there. It's a Jag. Oh, this has been a battle, but we did it, boys and girls and children of all ages. Oh, I'm so excited. It's leaning on a tire, kind of, and the most of the weight is on this, but I kind of distributed it because I didn't just want the thing to just be on tension all night and to just be standing, just in case anything happens and it falls. So yeah, we're good. I'm gonna try to finish up the silica on the base first before I start touching this engine, before we start doing the swap on the Jag. I need to get this thing aligned, and I also need to find the 2 rear fenders that are missing. And once that happens, yeah, it's pretty much drivable. It's registered, it's insured, and yeah, we'll start driving it around, and then we'll start sorting out things little by little, like the interior, terrible, all the seals around the car, terrible, door locks, so many things, some more suspension component. Whew, but that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to show you guys a short video of me struggling to relive this engine. So in case you guys don't know, I'm going to give you guys some brief points of the Jag. The Jag is right now, it's a 1974 Jaguar XJ6 with a 350 conversion. So a 350 engine is inside, but it is it has a low compression, so it's bad. This engine, on the other hand, has good compression, and it was taken out of a truck that was it had only 27,000 miles on it. So that means internals are good. So there's no need for me to rebuild the engine, hopefully. So all I need to do for now is just to pretty much assemble the thing and make the swap. I don't know where any of the components goes because the previous owner, if you guys look over there, he gave me all of the stuff to install it. So all the pulleys, all the water pump, the smog pump, the what's it called, alternator, a bunch of stuff, even carburetor. So pretty much technically I have everything here to run this. So yeah, I'm just excited. I don't really have to, hopefully it's not going to be extreme work. But so we have to first take out the stuff, the engine from the Jag. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this golden video. I'm so excited. I have too many projects now, so yeah, I need to get done on some before I move on to the others. So I'm gonna get done with this first, and then so I can make space in the garage. Then I'll bring the Jag in. So the 350, before I go, the 350 is a small block. The advantage of a big block is you can do so much to it. You can do so much more to it. There's no replacement for displacement, and so I'm gonna be able to. I don't want to go too crazy on this big block, and I'll give you guys more details of the big block and where it came from and all that good stuff, and yeah, stuff I plan to do with this engine later on. But whew, God will help us. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this golden video of me just struggling for hours. And yeah, if you liked what you saw, leave a golden thumbs up button, and I will catch you guys on the next magnificently golden drive.